is dope. That girl is dope. That girl is dope.
Hey loves, welcome back to Simply Subrena. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a couple Ayurvedic powder mixtures that you can add into your deep conditioning for maximum benefits. So a couple things that you'll need. Of course, you'll need 2 bowls to put your different mixtures in and some measuring cups and your Ayurvedic powders. So the first powder I'll be using is the henna powder, and I'm going to put 1 cup of the henna in the strengthening mix only. The next powder is aloe vera powder, and it's really great for growth and moisture, and I'm going to be putting 1 cup of aloe vera powder in both mixtures, the strengthening and the moisturizing and growth mixture. Next is amla powder, and I'm going to take a 1/2 cup of the amla powder in the strengthening mix, and I'm going to do a full cup of the amla powder in the moisture and growth mixture. And I will leave a video down below that goes into more detail of the benefits of each of these powder. If you want more detail, definitely check that out. The next powder is the shikaikai powder, and I'm going to place a 1/2 cup of the shikaikai powder in both mixtures. Shikaikai is kind of known for cleansing and other properties as well. So the fenugreek, which is kind of the star of the show, I'm going to go ahead and put a cup of fenugreek powder in both, and this is the main powder for growth benefits. So if you guys don't want to use all of these powders, I would say get the amla, the fenugreek, and the henna if you want to strengthen and mix it out. Well, I guess I'm listing everything, huh? So now you're just gonna go ahead and mix your mixtures, and you want to make sure it's blended really good. The amla powder can get a little hard if the thing is open, so I was like mashing it up, but you just want to mix this as smooth and as good as you can. And you will see it has a different color because they have different powders in them. And I did label the 2 tops because I wanted to make sure I didn't get it mixed up, because using henna too often can damage your hair. It will make it very dry and very brittle, because it's kind of like a protein treatment. So you want to make sure you know what you're using. Versus the moisture and growth, you can use that mixture every week you deep condition. So I just labeled it, and as you see, it's basically a full container of powder mixtures. This is going to last for a while, but it just makes it easier rather than trying to go in each pouch every time you gotta wash your hair. So it makes you more prone to actually using the powder, since it's just in one spot and then you can just use it. So how to use? Well, definitely you're going to want to apply this on pre-wash hair, dirty hair. You want to start out with a conditioning base, whichever you prefer. And I'm using the moisture and growth treatment this time. And I do 3 tablespoons, or that's a teaspoon actually, 3 teaspoons of that. And I will probably use the same amount for the strengthening mixture as well. The powder is going to dry up your conditioner a little bit, so go ahead and put some water, and basically I just pour water until I get the consistency that I like. For my hair specifically, I like to go with kind of like a pancake batter mixture, so it's not super thick like a cream and it's not super watery at all. It's just a nice smooth consistency that would go on my hair pretty good. So I'm starting out with dry hair, again dirty hair, and I'm going to use the spray bottle water to dampen my hair so the actual product can really penetrate my hair shaft. So if you're starting out with dirty hair, you want to go ahead and finger detangle a little bit. It makes the process easier, and it's just always smart to detangle your hair before you drench it with water to avoid breakage and things like that. So after I get my hair damp and my hair is pretty detangled, then I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the treatment. I know some people don't apply deep conditioners to their scalp because they feel like it'll weigh their hair down, but this is a treatment you want to apply to your scalp and rub it into your scalp. You want your scalp to soak up the benefits of this mixture, especially for hair growth. Your hair grows from your scalp, so that's where you need to put the nutrients at. And then you'll just apply the rest to your hair. It's very simple. It's just any other deep conditioning process. And again, if you make your the consistency of your mixture pretty smooth, you will not have a problem applying this. It should apply like regular conditioner, to be honest. So in the mixtures, of course this is not the henna one, but for henna it adds strength, it definitely adds thickness, and it builds a protective layer on your hair. For amla powder, it has the ability to penetrate the scalp, so it can nourish your hair from within. It promotes growth and it conditions your hair as well, and it will also tint your hair a darker color. The aloe vera powder is very conditioning. It's really good for growth. It promotes elasticity, so that can help with preventing breakage on your hair. And fenugreek is like the all-time growth powder. It increases your hair growth, it conditions your hair, it reduces scalp problems as well. And the shikakai powder, it softens your hair. It is an antifungal, so it cleanses your scalp as well. It slows down shedding, and it can heal scalps, cuts, or abrasions. Again, if you guys want more detailed video on everything that these powders do, I will have a link below, so you can go ahead and check that out. So yeah, I do plan to use the strengthening mix about every 6 to 8 weeks, and I plan on using the moisturizing and growth mix every week. I deep condition unless if I'm straightening my hair. So this is what my hair looks like with the product. As soon as you put the product on your hair is literally gonna snap back in shape, girl. So yeah, that's really it. I hope you guys like this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye, loves.